Thanks for joining me for this last episode of how to make a routed slot track. This is just the beginning of me routing a slot track. I didn't use a router, I used another device which was harder on the drill bit, and but I achieved it. What the bottom line is, I did it. What the most important thing about this project is, it was for me to learn how to do the curves. It has no matter what the track looks like, because I'm gonna do something that looks better on a longer scale, like have the wood and everything. But what's important about this is that I used aluminum tape instead of copper tape, and it works just fine. Which if you're good to cut it to the width, that's all you need to be able to cut it, because it comes in this so the only thing about the aluminum foil is that tape, it's gonna be very fragile when you turn. It's gonna be, try not to break it, not to crack it. If you do, just put a second coat on top. It's very thin. It works properly. Now what I did, I have four lanes. Okay, so I took two of these that I have, you know, from tracks. You know, one is Artin. This is what is this? This is fast lane. So that's all I need. I had, if you see on the previous version of on the previous version, I showed you what I did with the wires, and I just connected the negative, positive. That's it, to the track. All right. So this is the moment of truth, guys. I have tried the first, and this and this lane already. I know they work. I need to know if these two work. So let's just see. Let's hook up the controllers. All right. So yeah, let's do this one. So there are two different ones. The fast lane one, the one I'm plugging in now, it's a bit faster, but has nothing to do. It's the way you control. It's because my power is fixable between 4.5 and 12 volts. So it depends whatever I hook it up to. So it doesn't matter, you know. So let's try these two. I don't know if it's right. Whoops. Yeah, it would be good if it would be plugged in. Definitely that works better. So let's see. Okay, maybe see a little bit. It's not working. Oh yeah, as I said, it would work better if it's plugged in. Alright. Haha! Now what happened? Oh, maybe I'm on a bigger voltage. This requires, yeah, it's got 12, so it's too much. Alright. what's wrong with you? Oh, maybe the way I put it down. So I'll figure it out and I'll make a video when it's all running, okay guys? So I'll be back.